cracker salad. The delicious blend of marshmallows, milk, pineapple, and Cool Whip. Yum. I'm here today to tell you about how to make the delicious graham cracker salad that I'm talking about. The simple recipe of only 7 items will blow your mind. This is a family recipe that was handed down from my great-grandmother to my grandfather and then to me. We eat this at every Christmas and other family occasions, and I am in charge of making it. I will be covering 2 main purposes today. First, materials and ingredients. Second, the 9 simple steps to making this delicious graham cracker salad. So now let's begin with my first main point, preparing your ingredients in graham cracker salad. But first, let's wash our hands. Make sure to get your hands good and clean. Okay, now that we got our hands good and clean, let's start with the materials and ingredients you'll need. The following items you'll need will be a mixing bowl, a rolling pin, a strainer, a small dish, another small dish, an 8x11 pan, a 1 cup measuring cup, and an 1/8 of a cup measuring cup, and don't forget your mixing spoon. Alright, now we can't forget about the ingredients you need, which will be 1½ sticks of butter, 3/8 a cup of sugar, 19 graham crackers. They have to be whole graham crackers, otherwise it won't turn out. 1 cup of crushed pineapple, which equals about 1 can, and 1 container of Cool Whip. Now that you know what you need, let's start by melting our marshmallows in a dish. First, get your dish and count 19 marshmallows. 1, 2, 18, and 19. Perfect. Now, we need to find our 1 cup measuring cup and our milk. And dump 1 cup of milk into your measuring cup and empty into. Now, take your marshmallows and milk mixture and put them in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time for about 3 times or whatever it takes. Okay, they're not melted up good enough. They gotta be thick and creamy. But the key is 30 seconds at a time so you don't burn your marshmallows and you don't ruin your milk. That'd be bad. Now it's perfect. Nice and creamy. Alright, take it to the fridge and cool it for 1/2 hour, and it should be a little bit thicker and a little bit easier to work with. Now it's really hot. Now while that's going on, we need to count up 19 graham crackers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you notice how they're all full. If they weren't all full crackers, it wouldn't turn out right. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 full graham crackers. Now, get your rolling pin out and start crushing all 19 graham crackers. Now, once you have them all nicely rolled out, we need to grab our little dish here and put about roughly a 1/4 of a cup or so in there. But a little bit more than that. We'll see why later. Now set that off to your side and grab your other mixing dish. Now we need to empty all them into here without spilling them on the floor, because that won't be good. Alright, now I say I got enough off. I got enough on the floor too, but that's okay now. We got them on here, they're all nicely fine. That's for our crust. Now, take your small mixing dish and some butter. Oh, I think we need what? 1½ sticks. Okay. Okay. Now we got 1.5 sticks of butter in our container. Now, walk back all the way over here to the microwave. Grab 1 paper towel. Cover your butter. Otherwise, it make boom and make mess. Okay? Now, put your butter in the microwave for 30 seconds, I would say. First try. And you might have to go longer, but that's okay. rather not burn it. Now that we got it nice and melted, grab your 1/8 of a cup, grab some sugar. I think we need 3 of these in there. I get 1. 1, 2, close enough. Yeah, and see my coordinated self can't even make it all in the bowl. Now, mix that all in with your butter till it's nice and smooth, and the sugar all melts in there. Now we got all that sugar nice, creamy, and smooth. Pick up your bowl very carefully and very carefully dump it into your graham crackers. Yeah, and get a knife and scrape out all the rest of your butter and sugar. Now, let's grab a mixing spoon. And you gotta get all that butter in, mixed in very good with all of our graham cracker. This is our crust. And you gotta have it nice and moist. Otherwise, you go to pack your crust down and it's just gonna be a bunch of graham cracker crumbs. And you go to take your piece of graham cracker salad out of your pan, you know what? It's not gonna have a crust. It's just gonna be pure marshmallows, milk, some Cool Whip, and some pineapple. Graham cracker crust. Ooh, that's probably one of the better parts of it. Okay, all nicely mixed. Yep. Grab your pan. Set your pan off to your side. Now grab your bowl of graham cracker. Get it in the pan without getting it there. This is not very easy either. Now, using your spoon, we gotta get this all nice in there. You can use a fork also. It is a little easier. I think I'm going to switch to a fork. I might get it done just a little bit faster. Now, beautifully done. In there, very good. Now, let's go check on our marshmallows. Ooh, looks good. Got a little marshmallow cream. Marshmallow creamed up on top. Let's go grab that fork we were using earlier to melt it and mix it together. There. Get that milk mix back in there, and it will actually look a little bit better. That, and there goes my fork. Now it's Cool Whip time. Cool Whips. Gotta go in there. Now let's get it out with the fork. And the more we get in there, the better and creamier this will turn out. Now we got it all dumped in there. Not very well mixed. Let's take our pineapple, crushed pineapple, and let's strain it, get all the juice out, so it's not real runny. Now, no juice left in it. Slowly dump it in. Now, what we do is we mix this up real good. That looks good. And we get it all mixed in there. Key, get it all mixed in there. Real good. Now, we'll dump it into our graham crackers. This is the main part of our graham cracker salad. Get it all dumped in there very good. Okay. Now, some taps, some shakes, and a spoon will get it all flat. That looks perfect. And now, for the graham crackers we saved, sprinkle them over the top to give it some more graham cracker, a little bit more just for the show. Makes it look a little bit better. See now? That looks good. Let's put our top on our pan. Carefully. Put it in the refrigerator. Tomorrow, be good to eat. But one last thing I forgot to tell you. Save the pineapple juice. It's good to drink. Trust me.